Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Ocean Waves Hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a daily housekeeping. Ocean Waves Hotel located in Myrtle Beach. A few steps from Myrtle Beach, Ocean Waves Hotel features views of the pool. With a seasonal outdoor swimming pool, the 2-star hotel has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi, each with a private bathroom. The property has a shared lounge and an ATM for guests. The rooms in the hotel are equipped with a flat-screen TV with cable channels. Some rooms include a kitchenette with a microwave, a fridge and an oven. At Ocean Waves Hotel, rooms come with bed linen and towels. Surfside Beach is 1.7 miles from the accommodation, while Myrtle Beach State Park is a 19-minute walk from the property. The nearest airport is Myrtle Beach International Airport, 2.7 miles from Ocean Waves Hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.